Bonjour, hello, welcome to MaxMountainWorld. Bonjour, hello. Today a little update on the weather. Today we are Thursday the 20, what was it? 28. Not 27, 28.
27th.
Thursday 28. 29 tomorrow.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay, dispute, Vinny. Okay, nothing's happened quite yet. I've just been to Gap, and as you can see at the side window, quite a nice sunny day out there. But it's 50 kilometres away, but big changes are possible. A place I used to ski and live in, used to ski over the other side 4 kilometres away, and the weather was totally different. And the same thing's happening here. Let's have a quick look. So just heading away from Gap, we're heading east-ish just now. Just ahead of us here to the right is Les-Orres, just behind these clouds, behind the first load of mountains over there. So we're down here. Weather systems will be coming in from the left or from behind us to the left, and you can see over there, we're zooming in and we have a look, and that's more or less over at Italy, just the other side of Briançon, and the snow looks like it's already starting there. So we should have something coming this weekend. It's nice not to be driving and be able to work a bit of camera and look around. 4 seasons in one day. We've got sunshine here, rain here, snow there, and the colours of autumn all about. Gold colours, green colours, yellows, reds. Really quite beautiful. The village of Les-Orres, and gives us a little opportunity to see what's behind the Les-Orres, the next massif over, the Alps Maritime. If I zoom in on that, you can see got a bit of snow occurring up there. Bit of a mixed bag, and that's likely to be heading behind us at home in Les-Orres, and straight ahead. We're just over the other side of this guy here. Point of interest is that the island at this time of year is normally not an island, it's normally an isthmus. The lake's usually a lot more empty than this, but I'm pretty sure that they've closed the dam, or they've stopped the outflow and allowed the lake to fill up again to avoid making the disasters of flooding down south of here any worse. So quite strange to see the lake full at this time of year, but a beautiful colour of blue, turquoise. And again, just looking ahead, and these clouds, you can see the flat base on them. That's the warmth underneath that's keeping them going, and as the night time falls, they'll probably start precipitating. Down across the right here, we have Les-Orres just behind, but the main valley for Les-Orres over there. And again, you can see the snow line, you can see where the tree line is for the white trees.
Oh, sorry.
Problem, I can delete it.
Okay.
latest update on the weather just before the third storm. And just to say, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe down there. And ciao.